5-step guide on how to make a team on Twitch. If you are wondering how to make a team on Twitch, we are here with the solution. In this simple guide on how to make a team on Twitch, we will guide you with simple steps that you have to follow to create a team on Twitch. Step 1. Sign into your account. When creating a Twitch team, you must choose a lead account. This account will be responsible for managing all the team-related tasks. So make sure you choose the right account. Reason? Once an account is designated as a lead account or an owner, there is no way to change the ownership of the account as of now. Step 2. Get in touch with the Twitch support team. As of now, there is no way to create a Twitch team on your own. You will have to submit a request to Twitch customer support regarding this. Step 3. Collect and submit necessary details to the support team. Before creating a team for you, the Twitch support team will need to validate some details about the team. These details include the primary account that will manage the Twitch team, team page URL in this format, twitch.tv/team/team name. The team display name is a name that people will use to recognize your team. Step 4. Let the support team create a team for you. Once you have submitted the request, there is nothing more that you can do on your end. All you have to do is wait for a brief period before the support team gets back to you. Step 5. Start sharing team invitations. The real job starts as soon as Twitch support accepts your requests and creates a team for you. You need to expand your network and start sending joining invitations to others. You can reach out to your followers, relevant channels, featured channels, and people you know and ask them to join your team. For more Twitch-related content, subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out followerspanda.com. Thank you.